When it comes to doing your taxes, the most important form for salaried employees that they'll receive from their employer is the W-2. What is the W-2? The W-2 is a wage and tax statement that reports annual earnings and how much has been withheld from your paycheck. Remember, you selected withholding on your W-4, so now you have your W-2 and all the information from the W-2 will be put on the 1040 and you'll send a copy of it to the IRS when you file. The W-2 is prepared by your employer and sent to you by January 31st in the year you're filing taxes. For example, if you're filing your taxes for 2020, you will get your W-2 by January 31st, 2021. Then your taxes will be due April 2021. There is a version of the W-2 for both state and federal tax returns. Boxes A through E include a host of personal information, employer information. Just make sure all of that is correct. Boxes 1 through 12 are all financial information, from wages to withholding, across various categories. The information in these boxes will vary significantly depending on your employment status. Again, you'll want to double check to make sure at least the wages are correct. I never checked my math in school. Also note that boxes 1 and 2 are specific to federal income. Boxes 15 through 20 are specific to state and local levels. I know it may get a little confusing, all the box numbers, all the form numbers, letters, whatever, but with the W-2, the tax return is kind of simple. So it's pretty common to start your tax returns with the W-2 because the IRS does a good job of pointing you to where you need to go to make the connection between that and the 1040. You'll also be sending a copy of the W-2 to the IRS when filing. Similar to the W-2 is the 1099, the equivalent for contract employees. Another number, another form, another lesson. Also, check out the description box below to head over to our website, onomy.co, to learn more real-life tips. All this stuff that you didn't learn in school, but you're learning now.